This is a brief technical video on bandsaw blade teeth and which direction they should be spinning, which direction they should be pointing. Safety disclaimer, bandsaw blades are sharp. Duh. Or at least they are until you use them up and they go dull and you have to change blades, which is what this is all about. When handling a bandsaw blade, safety glasses, gloves, probably better you also wear a long sleeve shirt. We're going to be manipulating these blades in somewhat random ways, and so I don't want you to be hurt. So this is a typical bandsaw blade. Let me see if I can get the camera to focus on it. You can have teeth. The teeth very much have a directionality to them. You want the teeth to be digging into the material. So basically when you're cutting, you want the blade to be going this way. So the teeth are digging into the workpiece. So I have behind me here, this is a typical forest bandsaw. Has a vertical blade. This has a traveling table. We just finished painting this one. It's partially disassembled, so I'm just using it to give you an idea of what's going on here. But the blade, what I call the working portion of the blade, will be right here. You want the teeth in this part pointing down, and you want the blade moving down. You want the, basically what's happening here, you've got a workpiece sitting on a table. You want the teeth coming down, digging into the workpiece and pushing it into the table. So on all of the forest machines and really most typical bandsaws, the bandsaw wheels will be running clockwise. The working or exposed portion of the blade will be going down, and the teeth should be pointing down. So I've got here the working portion of the blade. But what if you get a new bandsaw blade and the teeth are like this? The teeth are pointing up. Can't run it that way. To some of you, this will be obvious. It was not to me, but some of you this will be obvious. You can take this blade and flip it inside out. Grab it 2 points, rotate, flip it inside out. Now if I turn it around, hold it up here where the working portion of the blade would be. You can see those teeth are now pointing down. So when the blade's going in the correct down direction, the teeth are pointing down, you're digging the workpiece. So it's all about flipping this blade inside out. I'll do it one more time for you. I'm grabbing it like this. And with a magician's flip of the wrist and a little shake, I get this. And back. So you get a new bandsaw blade and the teeth are pointing what you consider to be the wrong direction, flip it inside out. Let's see if I can also close it. There's also the 3-part cord. This is a little more tricky. That's a whole different wrist flip. And now you've got the bandsaw coiled up into 3 loops for shipping. If you have any questions about this or other bandsaw technical questions, please feel free to call or email us here at Forest Manufacturing. Thank you and have a good day.